Okay guys, so since there's not a video on YouTube showing anyone how to do the M57TU2 alternator on the X5 diesel, I'm going to be showing y'all how to do this today. So the job is pretty straightforward. You have the alternator down there, you have a few bolts up top, you have this bolt right here, you have this bolt right here, which connects through the motor on this side. You have a bottom bolt on there that connects to the tensioner. You really can't see it on camera. I don't know if I can focus on it. But it's right there. This is the updated bolt because the old bolt actually broke off. And this is the repair bolt from BMW. So you have the updated bolt. You have to take this strut brace off, air intake, cover, and then it's pretty straightforward from there. So there's a lot of questions about what kind of alternator you choose. I stuck with this one because it's an OEM replacement. And if I'm not mistaken, this is the brand that BMW uses from the factory. If not, then it's a high quality replacement. All the ones you get on Amazon or on these other sites, they're not good alternators. They'll work for a little bit, but like sooner or later the stator will start going out on them. So just make sure you go with a quality replacement. This is a quality replacement. It's not cheap, but it's worth it. I mean, it's gonna last you 5 to 10 years if you take care of the car. So to start off, I'm gonna remove all these covers. I'm gonna speed it up in the video because, I mean, if you know what you're doing, this is a pretty simple job. Just gotta remove all these parts right here. Once these parts are removed, you got access to the alternator. These bolts right here, they're 13. So now with the pipes out the way, this is the first bolt. The bottom bolt is gonna be right here. I don't know if it'll focus on. Then you have this right here and the connector. After you have that, it's gonna come out pretty easy. Right here, the tensioner is right there. Let's see if I can get a picture for y'all. So this is the tensioner right here. You're gonna turn it counterclockwise if you eye left. And once you turn it left, I usually don't pull it all the way off like that. What I usually do is I'll loosen it and then I'll slip it off the idler pulley and leave the bolt there so it's easier to route when you're putting it back on. The top bolt is a 16.
Ever since we met, knew you were what I need. If you don't get it, let me explain it, please. What I seen is that you had it where I wanted, so I got it at that moment, and I still want more of you. Got me feeling so addicted. Come with me, baby, I fulfill your dreams. Once you see these in my league, beautiful thing, I can change the way that you think. Call your team, tell them you about to leave. Come with me, baby, I fulfill your dreams. Once you see,
Make sure you unplug this battery terminal. Once you unplug this, you usually take off that. Then you gotta go down and get the bolt right there. Better look at it right here. The idler pulley right there. So take all that off. The bottom pulley is an E14. This is for long one like this. Helps me get down there. We'll flex it in.
2 hours later.
baby, we can do it. Wonder why my name is legend. Baby, let me prove it. Trips around the sea. You ain't gotta tell your crew shit. They think I'm from Houston, cause game over. Losing. But I ain't the one winning, girl, it's you. Told you from the beginning, I ain't focused on sinning. I'm really trying to see the truth. What? Who? Knew? Me? Yeah. That's why I said tag along. Can't wait to go home.
OEM.
So you can brag it on.